You're a certified chef now. I mean, you do proper cooking professionally. ये खाने पकाने का वो तो हर एक बहू का शौक होता है कि
नहीं, मुझे तो बिल्कुल खाना नहीं पकाना था। कच्चा खाना खिलाया मैंने अपने मियाँ को काफ़ी साल, बेचारा चुप करके मुँह बंद करके खा लेता था। Then I decided when I took a sabbatical from work, जब बच्चे बहुत छोटे थे, and I'm talking about 2-3 years के जब वो थे, I said ज़िंदगी में कुछ करें, and I thought
शादी हुई थी बिल्कुल भी नहीं खाना पकाना आता था।
थोड़ा बहुत आता तो कुरकुरे याद नहीं है। I think that was the spark.
अच्छा।
Don't you remember when
Yeah,
we
yeah, she
did
did
that
that.
program together?
Yeah.
That's what lit me.
Hmm.
And literally आग लाई मैनू, and then I
सर क्या हो रहा है?
I figured that whoa, I can do this. So I and था खाने पकाने का शौक था, but I was never this well informed about food. That's the way to go about it. Then I went to SCAFA. Then I was there. I studied from scratch, from everything. Shahnawaz, one of my teachers, he's one of the most incredible human beings. He literally threw me to the wolves. कहते हैं ना कि बतख साफ करो और फलाने की गोश्त उतारो, छिछड़े अलग करो से लेके how to peel, chop, cut, store, everything he taught me. And he and Sir Rob, he's one of my chefs, head chefs, he taught me. Then I worked there for a bit because I couldn't intern abroad. I wanted to intern in one of the Michelin star restaurants. I couldn't go because I couldn't leave my kids.
Nah, of course.
And then I started doing things on my own घर पे. Off and on, किसी की birthday हो गई, किसी का brunch हो गया, कुछ हो गया. Then one day my husband said that we have a hotel in the family. My in-laws have a hotel. They said that, yeah, why don't you turn on the kitchen? And then I stepped into that line of work about a year ago. And I've learned so much. So that
because एक professional kitchen चलाना
everything, how to deal with people, how to deal with their tantrums, the meltdowns, the burning, the electricals, the fridge खराब हो गया है, to पानी आ गया है, to infestations, to everything, food storage, food खाना बचाना, leftovers कैसे use करने, everything.
देखिए कितना अक्लमंद शौहर है आपका कि उसने कहा इन्हें इतने बिजी कर लो मेरी जान छड़े
Hey. You should ask him that. I wouldn't answer for him. Anyway, so that. And then I cook for my children. There's not a day that goes by where I don't make their food. My routine is usually I wake up in the morning at about 6:37 every day. Or then I go to the gym. After I have a cup of coffee, I go to the gym. I come back. I go straight into the kitchen. I make their I make their lunch and dinner. And then I go to my office and I do my things. जो भी इनका पूरा काम शाम होता है, जो कुछ भी होता है. So, but I basically started cooking for my kids, and that's how I got better. My family. उसमें because I never wanted them to have all these fast food things, these preservatives or इस तरह की चीजें. Wanted to have the earthy, the hearty food, जैसा सब्जियां होती हैं, दालें होती हैं,
देसी खुराकें भाई
खुराकें होती हैं, because that is what's going to help them in their way. And then जब वो करना शुरू किया तो obviously diet restrictions होती हैं for children who are differently abled, उसके बारे में पढ़ना शुरू किया. How the blood sugar is affected by what kind of food, what it does, how the brain develops for various children, how you can help it, जो उनकी dietary needs होती हैं, how you can basically what happens is that children who are differently able उनको probiotics की ज़रूरत होती है because they are very high strung people. Or anxiety, the second brain is your gut, right? So anxiety जो होती है, it affects your stomach. So when you're anxious, your stomach is very acidic. And जिसकी वजह से आपका खाना सही digest नहीं होता, पेट में cramps होते हैं, different things होती हैं. So you heal through food in life, be it a normal person or on the spectrum or an athlete or somebody who's wanting to look good. Food is something that makes you and breaks you. So I learned all about that. How to cook, what to cook, how to store, what food affects you. For example, my journey was also about healing foods. For example, kave jo hum peete hain. Like I make this kava for myself every day, which is adrak and long and haldi and nimbu, and I drink like a whole bucket of it every day, and how it helps the metabolism, how it helps your organs, ye sari cheezein. As we get older, you have to look after yourself. So I decided to not fight age, but obviously to be strong enough to look after the family that I have and myself and not be a burden on someone and enjoy what Allah has given me. So food plays a big part in that.
आपने भी बात की कि very blunt also and
You would know.
no yeah how's your political stance nowadays?
How do you want it to be? Very diplomatic, very smart, and very mupart, as always.
आप excuse me कह सकते हैं अगर आपने नहीं जवाब देना मतलब
Excuse me?
no but do you think by being a Pakistani and of course जो politics है वो हर एक को affect करता है where do you think we stand or where do you think you stand on that front?
We are being affected in every way. The whole world is being affected with the current situation of the global wars or whatever is going on. अगर मैं कहूँगी कि कोई चीज़ affect नहीं कर रही, मैं बेवकूफ़ी कर रही होंगी. We need help and we need to respect ourselves. ये मेरा stance है.
अल्लाह करे यार हमारा stance and glance दोनों ठीक हो जाएं.
ग्लांस ना बिल्कुल ही हम लोग कहते हैं ना कि क्रॉस हेड हो चुके हैं ना इधर दिखाई देते हैं ना उधर दिखाई देते हैं बस हम चलते जा रहे हैं.
One thing that apart from the million things जो मैंने फादर रोड से सीखी है एक ये भी था कि एजुकेशन पाकिस्तान के अंदर जो है वो आप
Education has become a money making factor. Everybody is out there to just make money. I feel that ये जो all the tech like I call it has affected our coming generation majorly क्योंकि everybody is too busy to pay attention to the now. हम सारा हर वेले phone पे लगे रहे. Teachers are always connected on the phone. There's so many times where I have caught a teacher sitting there on her phone, not paying. बच्चा बैठा है वो वहाँ पे कीड़े मकोड़े बना रहा है चीजें कर रहा है. टीचर जो है वो बिल्कुल ही वो तो अपनी वीडियोस बना रही होगी कर रही होगी. कुछ people are not very serious about teaching. जो कहते थे ना पुराने वक्तों में जो उस्ताद हमारे जो
डंडे पड़ते थे भैया मैं
वो नहीं है. और दूसरा ये कि माओं के लिए एक ये मुसीबत खड़ी हो गई that they have to constantly be a helicopter parent because if they don't keep the kids' grades and their education in check, nobody cares.
हाँ
I face that.
I think मैंने ये भी देखा है कि एक तो वो जो WhatsApp ग्रुप्स होते हैं लामाफ
वो fear instill करते हैं बहुत ज्यादा.
एक everybody मुझे वो
Hysteria.
बल्कि आई वाज टॉकिंग टू योर मदर एंड शी सेड द मोस्ट अमेजिंग थिंग वो कहती कि मैं स्कूल से जब आती थी तो पढ़ाई वहीं छोड़ के आती थी
Which was the most wonderful thing.
हाँ और हम लोग बच्चे की 7-8 बजे तक वो बेचारा पढ़ रहा है उसको ट्यूशनें लग गई हैं उसको ये लग
Because पढ़ाई नहीं रहे ना यही तो बात है. अगर आपको सबक स्कूल में सही पढ़ाया बच्चे स्टूपिड तो होते हैं नहीं अक्लमंद बच्चे दे हैव द मोस्ट शार्पेस्ट लिटिल क्रीचर्स ऑन अर्थ.
या
उनके सामने बैठ के उनको अगर सलीके से तहम्मुल से कोई चीज पढ़ाई जाए तो उनके दिमाग में रचेगी.
बिल्कुल
अगर आप साइड ट्रैक हैं का पढ़ाना ही ना आए आपको तो घर पे आप 10 उस्ताद आपको रखने पड़ेंगे. यही तो that's what I'm trying to basically say here. The kids now everybody has to have a tutor and I don't understand why. It is just unbelievable how our education system is sort of going down.
Do you believe in home education also?
I believe in home education because for the longest time जब कोविड हिट किया था मेरे बच्चे स्कूल नहीं गए थे और इनके क्लासरूम्स बनाए गए थे घर के अंदर और डिफरेंट टाइम पे डिफरेंट टीचर्स आया करती थी इन एंड आई फेल्ट दैट दे लर्नड अ लॉट at that time. My method of teaching was different. I was teaching them too. Homeschooling एक हद तक ठीक है लेकिन बच्चों को सोशलाइज करना और इस जिंदगी में जीना हर किस्म के इंसान के साथ
survival skills
बिल्कुल